Hey my friend, and welcome to today's video, how to make money with simple online shopping. Alright, again, my name is Al-Yassa. Do me a favor before we get started, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and before I get to how to make money with simple online shopping, I got a question here from one of my subscribers. He says, share a story of your first sale or your first sale online. So basically, after learning that I could make money, online shopping, I got started. I did it, and my first money I made online was $117. I know it's not a lot, but it helped. It was able to put gas in the tank, buy a few groceries, what have you. But $117. But here's the thing, though: the very next month, the check that came in was $2,027.27. The very next month. So online shopping and being able to make money from online shopping is very, very real. These are just some products that I use here, especially for the kids. The kids have eczema in my household, so this or skin conditions, so this really works for them. I just wanted to show you again just some of the stores that we shop at every single day. Let's see here. Let's go. Let's see. I mean, if you need stuff for your car or what have you, you got, Advance. I mean, people go to Advance Auto Parts all the time. Tires Direct. Places that you shop at are in here. Pep Boys. How many times have you gone to Pep Boys in the last year? Why not make money from the places that you shop from, right? So what I did with this particular process here, being able to make money while you shop online, is I created a simple system here that allows you to just plug and play. All right, it's a done for you system that I have in place for you to plug and play, get started, and you can now earn money shopping online. So basically, I'm sharing a very simple way to do this, and done for you system is in place. And hopefully, I'm just bringing you these tips just to show you that there are other ways for you to be able to make money. Going back to my first video, my personal mentor told me, my first mentor said, you got to take care of your personal economy. Do that, and you'll never have to worry about bills again. So that's what I'm sharing with you today. All right. So I hope this tip helped you, inspired you. Make sure you click the link in the description to find out more, and I will see you at the next tip. Take care.